Hey guys, on today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to download a few games. So let's just go right into my games. Alright, so let me just go back. Right here, you guys see my games and apps. So that's the quickest way to go here. And of course, we're going to download these for free. So you guys scroll down, memberships. Alright, you guys should see one. So that's gold. And this is the quickest way to get here. There's a bunch of ways to get here. This is just one of them. And here we have the 3 games that are free for this month. As you know, you guys get free games all the time with Xbox Live Gold. You guys can also click right here, Xbox Live Gold. And then you guys will see the games, all right, and a few specials. So down here below, specials. So that's how you guys will download these games, okay? And of course, you guys can take off this offer if you guys want. That's Game Pass. That's different. That will cost you. However, these games for free. So we're going to be downloading Indiana Jones, all right? And we're going to be downloading this one as well. So let's just start off with this one. So you have to click on it, press get. As you guys can see, it's free. It's $100, but right now it's free. So you guys can just press get, and then it's going to start downloading, okay? Once it starts downloading, that's when you guys can go back and download the other game. So let's just go back and download the other game as well. You guys don't have to wait for this one to be done downloading. It's gonna keep downloading. So let's just go into Lego. Go right here. Now this will tell us see price. Now that just means because for some people this will cost them money, and for most of you it's not gonna. Okay, so let's just go click and see price. It should tell you it's free. So we're gonna wait for that to come up. Yeah, so right here you guys can see it's free. If you guys press continue, it will ask you for your PayPal, okay, if you guys have your PayPal or your credit card. However, again, it's free, and make sure it says free right there, or else just don't do it. Don't worry about it. It will ask you credit card or PayPal information. That's normal, just because this game it's for 360, and that's why it's asking you for that. It's just because not for everybody it's going to be free. Some people that have Xbox Live Gold and they're on their Xbox 360, for them the rules are a little bit different. So for you guys that have an Xbox One, again, a bit different. So right now it should say pending, then downloading. Then you guys can get away, go play other games. You guys can wait for this to download or whatever. Again, these games are free, so enjoy them. They're gonna take a while to download. Again, it does depend on your internet speed. So if you guys are running multiple things or something like that, then it might be kind of slow. It might be some, really fast for some of you who have excellent internet speed. But anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.